Want to go to our political analyst, Larry Gerston. And Larry, always a pleasure to discuss with you. So let's talk about the significance of this decision.
It changes this right from the national right for women everywhere to an issue that can be decided on a state-by-state basis. And the maps will tell you this. There have been a number of states that have already indicated that this becomes state law, that is to say, no right to choose within seconds, within days of this decision. Then there are others who will say, who will come down perhaps 15 states more in a couple of weeks or months or years. We expect to see, Marcus, about 26 to 28 states either eliminating the right to choose altogether or severely weakening the conditions under which such right may happen.
Now, in Justice Alito's decision, he writes that Roe led to a division of the country and that this decision will end that rift. So what are the changes that's happening here?
That's fascinating. It's fascinating because there has always been division of sorts when it comes to this decision, this issue. But in fact, the polls show over and over again overwhelming majorities to allow a woman to have the right to choose. Here's a recent one from Gallup, 85% to 13%. Now think about that. The overwhelming majority of this country is going in one direction. The Supreme Court is going in another direction. That doesn't sound like it's going to end a rift to me. If anything, it's going to be exacerbated. So there is much to happen here in the near future because of the great differences in public opinion on the one side and the court on the other.
And certainly a lot of people are responding to this on both sides. So where do we go from here?
Marcus, that's the question of the day, because the court has made this decision based on the fact that there's no constitutional right for a woman in that document, in the Constitution. Well, it can be argued similarly that there's no constitutional right for gay marriage. There's no constitutional right for protection from birth control protection. There's no constitutional right for any of these things. And so if this happens along this logic, then who knows how far the Supreme Court will go. Justice Alito said it's only abortion, but remember the principle on which that decision was made, and I think that's what has pro-choice people really rattled.
Yeah, a lot of people have been talking about the rights of gay marriage, contraception, interracial marriage even, so we will be watching. Larry Gerston. Larry, always a pleasure.